Are your hydrangeas growing lots of leaves, but very few flowers? Today I will show you simple and effective tips to get more blooms on hydrangeas faster and keep them flowering beautifully all season long. Tip 1. Give the right sunlight. Hydrangeas thrive in bright shaded spots, but direct or filtered morning light is also good. Too much shade reduces flowering, while strong sunlight can burn leaves and wilt or fade delicate blooms prematurely. Either keep your hydrangeas in bright shade, or provide around 4 to 6 hours of morning sunlight daily for the best blooms. Tip 2. Prune correctly. Incorrect pruning is one of the biggest reasons hydrangeas don't bloom. Pruning hydrangeas depends on the variety. Some hydrangeas bloom on old wood of last year, while others bloom on new wood of this season. If you prune at the wrong time, you may remove flower buds. Pruning old wood hydrangeas. Prune only in the summer, immediately after they finish blooming. In the spring, only remove dead or diseased branches. Pruning new wood hydrangeas. Prune in late winter or early spring. While the plant is still dormant, cut each branch that had flowered by a third to encourage large blooms. If in doubt, remove only the spent blooms, dead, weak or diseased stems. Tip 3. Use the right fertilizer. Hydrangeas are heavy feeders. The best fertilizer for hydrangeas is a balanced, slow-release, granular fertilizer. Too much nitrogen fertilizer gives lots of green leaves but less flowers. Use a fertilizer rich in phosphorus to encourage blooming. Feed your hydrangeas twice a year, first in early spring when new growth appears, and then in midsummer to encourage continuous blooming. Natural organic fertilizers like compost and blood and bone provide a slow-release supply of the nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium they need for lush foliage and bigger, stronger blooms. If growing in pots, use a diluted liquid fertilizer, like Power Feed every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing and flowering season. Tip 4. Keep soil moist. Hydrangeas need consistent moisture, especially during hot weather. Always keep soil moist. Dry soil can stress the plant and reduce blooming. Water deeply whenever the topsoil feels dry. Add mulch around the base to keep moisture longer. Tip 5. Protect flower buds. Frost, strong winds, or extreme heat can damage flower buds in cold weather. Cover your hydrangea plants overnight with cloth or move them under cover. Be patient. Young hydrangea plants sometimes take time to establish before producing heavy blooms. With proper care, your plant will reward you with stunning flowers year after year. I hope these hydrangea blooming tips help your plants flower more beautifully this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy gardening!